can't see me. Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm sorry about that. Today we're gonna open this little pig. Little pig. Baby pig, okay? And you can shake him upside down, feed him, open his butt, and he can sniff. Now we're gonna open it up with some. Oh, and I'm at my second grandma's house. I have another one. Now I'm gonna open these. Do not try these scissors at home. But you can try this toy at home. Just. You need 3 AAA batteries. And you need a little screwdriver. And there's a puzzle, which is very hard to get together. And it's a pizza! It's a little tiny puzzle. This is, I think it's a coin. And ooh, this is a green bean? Bleh, I hate corn. Only when it's not popped. And I love pizza with no pepperoni. I just like cheese and sauce. This side?
Mm-hmm. Push it in a little further.
Corn. Try that. Ew. What? It does. He literally ate all of it. There's all the food that I put in his mouth. He's supposed to hiccup. Wait, you little pig. He's supposed to hiccup. Oh my gosh.
See if he sniffs his food.
If you just push his nose, watch. It's just a button. I just want to feed him again. You're still hungry, aren't you? Oh,
Can you tickle him on the side of the neck with the food? It says you can tickle him on the side. What about the other side?
Nope. Wow, you're really hungry, Mr. Pig. I just love to feed him. It just popped it open. It popped it open. Poor silly pig. Oh.
Okay.
I give it a 10 out of 10 by the food. But the but the thing itself, I want to say that it's a 9 out of 10.
You think it's
Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Yes. Make sure you hit the like. Wait, isn't what I just said? Hit subscribe. Hit that bell. Hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.